Hello everyone, it's April 15th. It's Good Friday. Hope everyone is going to have a good weekend into Easter. And this is the Mortgage Brothers Show and the interest rate update. So if you are trying to go quickly through this content, be sure to look at the descriptions below. There's timestamps where you can just kind of do shortcuts and go quickly through the content. But again, this is the interest rate update show where we go over the interest rates today. We look at loan scenarios, showing you what payment examples look like today. If you are a home buyer or someone looking to refinance, or someone like a real estate agent, this is a great channel to subscribe to and to share the channel to anyone who's in that process looking to either buy a house or sell a house. Again, so if you are also, you're looking for us to look at maybe your scenario, want us to just show your scenario on one of these shows, be sure to just in the comments below, give us an example of what your loan amount would be, your estimated value, and just ballpark your credit score, and whether it's a purchase or refinance. And we'll be sure in the coming shows in a couple of days, we'll show you what those numbers look like. And a quick disclaimer: this is not financial advice, right? This is for informational purposes only. Also, the Mortgage Brothers are only licensed in the state of Arizona, so we can only specifically help borrowers who are looking to buy or refinance here in Arizona. But don't worry, if you're from any other state, everything on this channel is going to be relevant because the loan programs we discuss on this channel are nationally originated. All right, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so today we have a loan program if the 30-year fix, we see them up. Oh, you know what? This is not right. This is not right here. The 30-year fix is actually 4.9%. The 15-year fix conventional is about 4.125. This was yesterday's, but they have increased today. This slide isn't updated. The 5-year adjustable rate mortgage is right about 3.99, but the FHA and 30-year fix are the same. They're about 4.375. But I did update this the slides below I updated, so we'll just go through. The Freddie Mac big picture chart here shows us how rates have really acted over the last 50 years. You will see that there's been a downward channel from 1986 to today, where it's been ricocheting off the top and bottom of this channel, just constantly going down. And this is really as a result of the policy of the Fed. So whenever you hear about the Fed's meeting, the Fed's raising interest rates, the Fed's lowering interest rates, or, we're printing more money. And I know that a lot of that can be confusing, but generally speaking, those policies started in 1986, and our country has continued to print more money, and the rates themselves, as a result, have been in a downward slide. And we find ourselves today, rates have increased over the last 90 days, and they've kind of just gone above this channel right here. And we don't know how long they'll be above this channel, but right now they're, again, close to 5% for that 30-year fix. And then this is kind of a zoomed in view where you can see the 30-year fix in blue, the green is the 15-year fix, and the orange is the 5-year adjustable rate mortgage. And you can kind of see what it's done over these last couple, since October, September, August, it was that low period. And this is basically, this chart is overlaying the inflation in red, basically overlaying that chart over the interest rates. So look at the red, it will show you that the rates of inflation hit a low around COVID. It was April 2020, and then it was just about zero. And the last couple of days ago, it was reported at 8.55. So inflation at 8.55, and that is the inflation from March 2022 from March 2021. Okay. So inflation history, we see that inflation has not been this high for the last 40 years. It was about 1981 when it was last about 8.5%. So 40 years, that's a long time. And we're going to just show you right now what loan programs look like or what the loan payments look like based on the median home price of Maricopa County home. So Maricopa County, which is right here in Phoenix, is about 4 million homes here. Actually about 4.5 million in population. But our median home price is $470,000, which is very similar to a lot of the national, or close to the national average. But it's a little bit higher, but it gives everyone a good idea. 3% down at 4.9% interest rates, you would have a payment about $2,777. 5% down would have the payment at $2,780. And just look, 10% down, 15 all the way to 30. Shows you the breakdown, what the total cash to close would be. That's your down payment, your closing costs, your prepaid taxes and insurance. All together, what does that look like? This is a good grid. I like grids because there's a ton of information on here, but it gives you an idea of how to really view that all in one visual. This chart right here shows you just the payment, and what does that payment look like? These are the different programs for 15% down. This is what the payment looks like right here. And then it's here. Yeah, we have 15% down, be $70,000 down, almost $2,500. And you can just, if you go down to 50% down, you're at $235 for your down payment, and then your payment's about $1,587. But if you look over on the very right, there's that red big column. What is that? That's inflation. That is taking the $470,000 house, and we believe, the experts really believe that the inflation is going to be about 7% this year for homes. The National Association of Realtors, Zillow, Redfin, it's kind of the average of what they believe that home prices will go up. And that's this big column right here. And what you'll notice is it is just about the same, that's the monthly portion. So every month that home is becoming $270 or $2,700 more expensive. If you look at the 5% down option right here, if someone's putting 5% down, their total payment will be about $2,780. So it's very close. The inflation is offsetting just about that payment. And this is, if you have information or you want to know more about the Mortgage Brothers, be sure to just Google Mortgage Brothers team. And you'll see our information. You'll be able to read our reviews, our contact information, and just be sure to reach out. We'd be happy to help. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday with our next mortgage rate update. Take care, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers podcast. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. You can email your questions to team@azmortgagebrothers.com, and be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. We'll be sure to give you personalized service and help you through the whole process. Signature Home Loans LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans NMLS 1007154, NMLS number 210917 and 1618695, Equal Housing Lender.